Hello everyone, welcome to Feel Free to Code. My name is Virendra. In this video series, we will learn how to develop Swing application. If you are Java developer and you want to develop a Windows application, you can create using Swing technology. Okay, so Swing is the library of Java. Using this library, you can create Windows application for any platform because Java is platform independent. Okay, so there is also a playlist in Hindi where I used a simple editor to develop Swing application. I didn't use drag and drop to create design, but in this series we will use drag and drop and I will use IDE for fast development. Okay, so let's have a look on some Swing applications. So this is my first Swing application. In this Swing application I hard coded everything. Okay, I didn't use any drag and drop. I use simple editor, that is edit plus. Okay, so in this video I will use drag and drop and IntelliJ IDEA. So this is my first application. This is the management software, simple management software where you can add students, you can add batches, and this table shows the student list, and there is also a list for batches and students. Okay, so when you click on the batches and student, you can see this is a list of batches and this is list of students. And for you, when you click on new inquiry, you can see there is a form to add student here. Okay, you can also filter data from this checkbox. Click on show all to show all student, click on inquiry to show all the inquiry student, to click admitted student, click on admitted. Okay, you can also search student from here. You can export the data to Excel sheet. You can send the data to Gmail. Okay, you can import student, you can import batches, and you can go for setting and change the password for your application. Okay, you can show and hide the tables and hide student table, hide batch table. Okay, and a lot of features are there in this small application. Okay, so let's have a look on second application, that is my second Swing application. So this is my second Swing application. I never used drag and drop for my application development. Okay, this makes you better developer when you use hard coded everything. Okay, when you hard code everything. So this is terms and condition for this application. Thanks for choosing us. When I click on agree, then click on OK to use this application. So this is the vegetable and fruits management software for a shop. You can add the vegetable from here, you can add customers. Okay, so you can add customers, you can add colonies, place order, print statement, all customers and requirement of the day. Okay, so this will show the requirement of the day whenever you add a new order to your database. Okay, and then you can change themes from here. You can change the colors of background color and button color like this. Okay, you can change the button colors here like this. Okay, you can back up your database, you can send to mail, you can export to Excel sheet. There is help, you can read about us, and then you can click on login. This is for developer login. If you want to add a license to your application, you want that your application must be licensed. Okay, you want to use only 100 receipt will be printed on this application, so you can use your developer login to customize your application. Okay, this is for the Windows, for open Windows. Okay, various windows are there. For add vegetable, there are separate windows, so I can use this button also. Okay, so add new vegetable, so you can see the new window is opened here. Okay, this is preferences, DB preferences. You can add databases here. Okay, it is not necessary to install database only in your machine. You can add your database to another machine and you can connect that machine using LAN. Okay, or AWS database, RDS, you can connect that database also. Okay, so a lot of features are here. So now we will learn how you can create applications like this and better than this. Okay, this UI is not good, so we will learn how you can create better UI. So complete this course. I am sure you will learn a lot from here. Okay, there is also a playlist in Hindi, so you can follow that playlist if you are comfortable with Hindi. This playlist is going to be in English. Okay, so this is enough for this video. Thanks for watching.